Effective strategies to improve lung function for smokers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that could literally save your life, or the life of someone you love. What if I told you that even if you've been smoking for years, there are proven ways to improve your lung function and breathe easier? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Smoking damages your lungs, but the good news is that your body has an incredible ability to heal, if you give it the right tools. In this video, we're revealing the most effective strategies to repair your lungs, boost your respiratory health, and regain your vitality. Whether you're a current smoker, a former smoker, or just looking to improve your lung health, these tips are for you. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that could supercharge your lung recovery and help you feel better than ever. This isn't just another health video. This is a lifeline. So, grab a seat and let's get started. Why lung health matters for smokers. First, let's talk about why lung health is so critical, especially for smokers. Your lungs are your body's lifeline, delivering oxygen to every cell and removing waste like carbon dioxide. But smoking damages this delicate system in several ways. 1. Tar buildup. Cigarette smoke contains tar, which coats the lungs and reduces their ability to absorb oxygen. 2. Inflammation. Smoking causes chronic inflammation, leading to conditions like chronic bronchitis and emphysema. 3. Reduced cilia. Function. Cilia are tiny hair-like structures that clear mucus and toxins from your lungs. Smoking paralyzes and destroys them. What the research says, studies show that quitting smoking can improve lung function by up to 10% within just 9 months. What to do? The first step to improving lung function is to quit smoking. But even if you're not ready to quit yet, there are still ways to support your lungs. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1. Quit smoking. The most important step. Let's start with the most obvious, but most important strategy. Quit smoking. I know it's easier said than done, but here's why it's worth it. Within 20 minutes, your heart rate and blood pressure drop. Within 12 hours, carbon monoxide levels in your blood return to normal. Within 3 months, your lung function improves and coughing decreases. Within 1 year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half. What the research says, quitting smoking at any age can significantly improve lung function and reduce the risk of lung cancer and other diseases. What to do? Seek support from a healthcare professional, use nicotine replacement therapy, or join a smoking cessation program. You don't have to do it alone. Strategy number 2. Exercise to strengthen your lungs. Next up, exercise. Physical activity is one of the best ways to improve lung function, even if you're a smoker. Here's how it helps. 1. Cardio workouts. Activities like jogging, cycling, and swimming increase lung capacity and improve oxygen flow. 2. Breathing exercises. Practices like pursed lip breathing and diaphragmatic breathing can strengthen your respiratory muscles. 3. Yoga. Yoga combines deep breathing with movement, helping to clear your lungs and reduce stress. What the research says, regular exercise can improve lung function by up to 15%, even in smokers. What to do? Start with low-impact activities like walking or swimming, and gradually increase intensity as your lung health improves. Strategy number 3. Eat lung-healing foods. Here's a strategy you might not expect. Eat your way to better lung health. Certain foods can reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and support lung repair. Here are the top picks. 1. Leafy greens, the lung protectors. Foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which protect your lung tissue from damage caused by smoking. They also contain magnesium, a mineral that helps relax the muscles around your airways, making it easier to breathe. 2. Berries, the antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with vitamin C and anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and help repair damaged lung cells. They also boost your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off infections. 3. Garlic and onions, the natural detoxifiers. These pungent foods contain sulfur compounds that help detoxify your lungs and reduce inflammation. They also have antibacterial and antiviral properties which can protect you from respiratory infections. 4. Fatty fish. The inflammation fighters, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in your lungs and improve airflow. They also contain vitamin D, which supports lung health and boosts immunity. 5. Turmeric, the golden healer. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help repair lung damage caused by smoking. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your lungs from further harm. 6. Green tea, the lung cleanser. Green tea is packed with catechins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect lung tissue. It also helps thin mucus, making it easier to clear your airways. 7. Nuts and seeds, the nutrient boosters. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and omega-3s, all of which support lung health. They also provide healthy fats that reduce inflammation and improve overall respiratory function. Why these foods work? They're packed with antioxidants that protect your lungs from damage. They reduce inflammation, a key factor in lung diseases. They provide essential nutrients that support lung repair and function. Strategy number 4, stay hydrated. Here's a simple but powerful tip. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps thin mucus in your lungs, making it easier to cough up toxins and clear your airways. What the research says, dehydration can thicken mucus, making it harder for your lungs to function properly. What to do? Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and avoid dehydrating drinks like alcohol and caffeine. Strategy number 5, avoid lung irritants. Another key strategy, avoid lung irritants. Smoking isn't the only thing that damages your lungs. Pollution, chemicals, and secondhand smoke can also harm your respiratory system. What the research says, exposure to air pollution and chemicals can worsen lung function and increase the risk of respiratory diseases. What to do? Use air purifiers at home, avoid smoking areas, and wear a mask in polluted environments. Strategy number 6, practice deep breathing exercises. Here's a game changer. Deep breathing exercises. These techniques can strengthen your diaphragm, improve oxygen flow, and help clear your lungs. 1. Pursed lip breathing. Inhale through your nose, then exhale slowly through pursed lips. 2. Diaphragmatic breathing. Breathe deeply into your belly, not your chest. 3. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds, and hold for 4 seconds. What the research says, deep breathing exercises can improve lung capacity and reduce shortness of breath. What to do? Practice these exercises for 5 to 10 minutes daily to strengthen your lungs. Segment 8. Bonus tip. Try lung cleansing herbs and supplements. Here's your bonus tip. Certain herbs and supplements can support lung health and speed up recovery. Here are the top options. Check ginger. Reduces inflammation and clears airways. Turmeric. Contains curcumin, which fights inflammation and supports lung repair. Peppermint. Acts as a natural decongestant and soothes the respiratory tract. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, a supplement that thins mucus and boosts antioxidant levels. Pro tip, brew a cup of ginger or peppermint tea daily to support your lungs naturally. Conclusion. Your lungs are your lifeline, and taking care of them is one of the best things you can do for your health, especially if you're a smoker. By following these strategies, you can improve your lung function, breathe easier, and feel your best. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these strategies? What changes have you noticed? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. See you in the next video.